Every year, I begin Advent with fervent spirituality, preparing for the birth of Christ. But nearer Christmas, I tend to get caught up with festivities. The star and lights must be strung. Mom gets busy with the goodies. Time for the decorations to go up. Family descends and carols fill the air. Much as I try not to, I get distracted and my spiritual efforts get diluted. Zechariah had every reason to be caught up in the moment. Elizabeth had overcome all odds to deliver their child at ripe old age. There was great excitement everywhere. However, Zechariah was being deeply rooted in God, could see the divine design unfolding. He knew that all three of them were mere instruments in God's plan. They were only preparing the way for Jesus, enlightening others about salvation to come, shining God's light on those in darkness, and guiding everybody in the footsteps of peace. Jesus is the reason for the season, the firstborn, the highest of the kings of the earth, whose throne shall be established forever. If we realize that we too will remain grounded, we will be inspired to accept our role as God's instruments by simple acts of kindness, compassion, or rendering assistance to others. Fruit. I will ask the Holy Spirit to help me use the excitement of Christmas to point others to Jesus through at least one kind act.